everyone, I'm Vicky. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So today's video is another Tesco food shop. I will run through what meals we're going to have this week and then show you what we have picked up from Tesco. So the meals that we're going to be eating is a cottage pie with vegetables, salmon, new potatoes with veg again, a mince and onion pie with mash, mushy peas and gravy, a pork dinner and pasta pesto with sausages cut up into that. So those are the meals. Some of them are easier than others. The only meat that I need to buy is the minced beef from the butchers. So I'll show you what we've picked up from Tesco. It's another small shop this week. I've got a bag of potatoes for the cottage pie, some new potatoes to go with the salmon, a Savoy cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, another broccoli, mushrooms. I've got 2 onions in there. Some loose bananas, some more apples to take to work. I've got a pack of eggs. I've got some easy peelers to take to work, 2 more bottles of the blackcurrant squash and a bottle of the Vimto. I've got 2 reduced fat red pestos for the meal and another one just to keep in the cupboard, just in case we fancy another quick easy meal. I've got some of these Muller Lights with the dark chocolate sprinkles. I was really surprised at how nice these were, and Dan enjoyed the orange ones as well, so I've got another pack of them. I've also got a pack of the Kinder chocolates. You get 8 in here and they're only the little ones, but they're just a little nice snack. I've got a 4-pack of the Prince's tuna for me to mix with mayo to take to work with jacket potatoes. We've got another bottle of the semi-skimmed milk. I've got some applesauce for the pork dinner. I also picked up some of these mushroom and spinach Kievs. We've had these before and they are so good. So these are just to put in the freezer in case we decide that we can't really be bothered to cook, and then I've got something nice and easy in. I've got the Allison's wholemeal bread. This was a substituted item, but I don't mind, bread is bread. Got some of the 30% reduced fat grated cheese. I'm just being lazy, so I'm just buying grated cheese. The staple of the Terry's chocolate orange, and I've got some of the Aunt Bessie's Watch Them Rise Yorkshire puddings. I haven't tried these before, so hopefully, fingers crossed, they do come out okay. It takes 20 minutes, so a lot longer than the like 4-minute ones, but yeah, I was just curious, so I wanted to see what these were about. And these are the last bits. So I've got some of the McCain's jacket potatoes that you just sling into the microwave and they're done. So I've got 8 of these because Dan has been using them for work too. And I've also got another packet of the corn crispy nuggets. Dan thought that these were the real deal. He didn't realise that they were corn, so I've picked up another packet of these. So if we do fancy, again, a nice quick easy meal, I've already got them in. So that is everything on today's food shop. Again, it's a nice small one, a little bit boring, again, because there's still not a lot of snacks and things on there, but it is still January and still trying hard to lose the Christmas weight gain. If you've watched this till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye!